Good morning. Paint Equipment Sales, LLC. Coming with a new piece of equipment. It's a 2021 Bobcat T450. It's got 220 hours on her. Beautiful, beautiful machine. It's another great piece of equipment that Paint Equipment Sales sells here. A little bit about this Bobcat 2021. It's got 220 hours on it. It is a Tier 4 machine. That means there's no DEF, but it has a DPF filter. Some people know what that is, some people don't. I totally understand. It's got 55 horsepower. Operating weight's about 6,400 pounds. Tipping weight is about 4,000 pounds. And obviously rated is about 1,900. If you look inside, you got 2 controls, no foot pedals, ISO controls. This thing is still under full factory warranty. So you do get the 2-year, 2,000 hours through Bobcat. Go ahead and open this machine up. Already been serviced. The customer that actually owned it decided to close shop. So that's how we got it. For people that know what Paint Equipment Sales does, we buy, sell, and broker construction equipment. So we know exactly where it comes from. We know maintenance history usually on it. We don't buy stuff from auction. Everything you see in this yard has been, I know exactly where it came from. We're asking $51,000 for this machine, which is a steal. We do have financing available, do Financial Scope. They're one of our brokers and they kind of send out, get you the best rate. But I mean, you cannot beat this machine. Your standard flow on this machine is about 16.7 gallons per minute. So it definitely can have a good attachment on it that would work. An auger, trencher, sometimes even a wood chipper people put on these that Bobcat sells. This is a tracked machine, original paint, some scuffs on the stickers, but nothing too bad. That's the serial number. If you're looking for good equipment, you're looking to sell your equipment, we don't charge you guys any fees to sell stuff. So definitely give us a call. Once again, Paint Equipment Sales, LLC, Peoria, Arizona. We buy, sell, and broker construction equipment. And this is one of our newest pieces. Thank you and have a wonderful day.